Welcome to HardHat Engineer. In this video, you will learn about fail open, fail close, and fail lock in control valves. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of these three failure modes, how they work, and where they are used. Understanding these modes is crucial for ensuring process safety and the efficiency of your plant. Please like and share this video and click the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Got a video topic in mind? Drop it in the comments below. So let's get started. A control valve has two main components, the valve itself and the actuator. Here you can see these components. Together, they provide necessary control over pressure, flow, and temperature. Control valves operate using external energy sources such as air, electricity, or hydraulic fluid. Now, think about what will happen if this energy is cut off. This situation is known as the failure mode of the control valve. In simple terms, it's the position a control valve takes when there's a loss of signal or power. The purpose of these failure modes is to maintain safety and prevent damage to equipment when something goes wrong. First, let's talk about the fail open mode. In this scenario, if the valve loses power or the control signal, it will automatically move to the fully open position. Look at this image. It shows a direct acting actuator with a direct acting valve. In this setup, the spring force keeps the valve open all the time. When you supply air, it pushes the spring and closes the valve. So, when there is a loss of signal or power, the spring will return to its original position and open the valve. This type of valve is used when it's essential to maintain fluid flow in the event of a power failure, such as in cooling systems. You can also see the P&ID symbol for this type of control in the image. Next is the fail close mode. In this case, if the valve loses power or the control signal, it will automatically move to the fully closed position. Look at this image. It shows a reverse acting actuator with a direct acting valve. In this setup, the spring force keeps the valve closed. This is a different type of actuator compared to the one in the fail open slide. You can see the P&ID symbol for this type of control in the image. The letters below the valve indicate its position during power or signal failure. Here, when you supply air, it pushes the spring and opens the valve. So, when there is a loss of signal or power, the spring will push the stem and close the valve. This type of valve is used when it's critical to stop the flow in the event of system failure, such as in fuel supply to heaters or hazardous liquid control systems. If you want to learn about operation and design of control valves, actuators and positioners, you can check my full course. It is extremely affordable with lifetime access and comes with a 30 days, no question asked money back guarantee. So don't forget to check. The link is given in the description. Finally, let's talk about the fail lock mode. In this case, when the valve loses power or signal, it stays in its last position, whether open, closed, or somewhere in between. This mode is not shown in the image because it typically requires additional components, like a positioner with lock-up valves to maintain the valve's position. Fail lock is used when neither opening nor closing the valve fully is desirable in the event of failure. This mode maintains the last known safe state, making it useful in systems where manual intervention is necessary to correct the situation. Now let's see how it is shown in P&ID. In this part of P&ID, you can see a butterfly type control valve with a fail close setting. It is connected to a tank, so when there is a loss of signal, the valve will close to prevent the tank from overfilling. As mentioned earlier, letters like FC fail close, 4 fail open, or FL fail lock below the valve indicate its failure mode. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.